Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the pros and cons of working in sales. So whether you're considering a sales career or simply curious about the challenges and rewards it entails, this video will provide you with some valuable information. So let's jump right in. The pros. No prior experience needed. Entering the field of sales doesn't necessarily require prior experience. Sales positions often provide on-the-job training and support to help newcomers learn the ropes. This means that regardless of your background, you can start a career in sales and work your way up through determination and dedication. High earning potential. Sales can be a highly lucrative career choice. With commission-based structures and the potential for bonuses, your earning can significantly increase based on your performance. Those who excel in sales have the opportunity to earn impressive incomes and enjoy financial stability. Skill development. Working in sales provides ample opportunities for skill development. Effective communication, negotiation, and persuasion skills are among the key abilities that salespeople develop over time. These skills are not only valuable in sales, they can also be transferred to various other aspects of life and professional endeavors, making sales an excellent platform for personal growth. Always in demand job. Sales positions are always in demand, regardless of the industry. Companies rely on sales professionals to drive revenue and secure business growth. As long as products and services are being sold, the need for skilled salespeople will remain constant. This demand ensures a relatively stable job market and numerous career opportunities. Cons. Rejection and pressure. Sales can be a challenging field, often characterized by rejection pressure. Sales professionals must face numerous rejections and setbacks while striving to meet targets and objectives. Dealing with rejection consistently can be emotionally draining, and it requires resilience and perseverance to maintain motivation. Customer complaints and objections. Salespeople often encounter customer complaints and objections. It's a natural part of the sales process, but it can still pose challenges. Effective handling of these complaints and objections requires patience, problem-solving skills, and the ability to navigate difficult conversations while maintaining customer satisfaction. Competition. Sales is a highly competitive industry. In most cases, you're not the only salesperson targeting potential customers. Competition can be fierce, as individuals and businesses are constantly vying for market share. Staying ahead requires staying proactive, continuously improving and demonstrating value to customers in order to stand out from the competition. And there you have it, the pros and cons of working in sales. Before making a decision and pursuing a sales career, carefully consider these factors. Supercharge your outreach and 10 times your leads and meetings with Success.ai. Dive into a 700 million plus B2B lead goldmine featuring unlimited warm-up, AI-powered email writing, and 700 million plus verified leads. Start for free and experience the revolution in cold email marketing. No credit card needed. Seize your 14-day free trial now.